So g'day, you're going on this nice cold morning. And today we're talking about the most dangerous things that occur in Australia. So a lot of people like to think, oh, snakes, they're very dangerous. Oh, spiders, very dangerous. Or don't go in the water, the sharks. But there's more dangerous things than those creatures. Today we're going to talk about, I don't know, how many of them I can think in my head. So, first most dangerous thing is the Irish. So why are the Irish dangerous? You're thinking, the Irish are just people, you know? They come from a country without the sun. When you don't have the sun, what happens when you go to the beach? You're walking down the beach, and you're walking, you're just going, oh yeah, and all of a sudden there's a glint. And all of a sudden it's just a giant flash, and you go, oh fuck, my eyes, they're burnt. My eyes, I can't see. And what is that? That's an Irish person sunbathing. It's just like a white log sitting in the sand. You don't know why. It just shines. And it just radiates the whole sky. And they cause global warming. So the second thing is the Poms. The Poms come here and you're wondering, oh, that English person I can understand. That one I cannot. I don't know, chap. What do you say? Me go out for a shitty? Go bloody yakadoo! Lakamine! And this just leads to confusion. So then you get confused and then you just forget where you are. So when you're confused with English people, you just don't know what's going on. And eventually you just go insane. So that's the most second dangerous thing in Australia. Then we have the third. So the third most dangerous thing is the Americans. Americans come along. Hey, where's my guns? I want my guns. I'm going to have a little shootout. Yippee. And there's an Australian, you go, guns? What the hell? Here, I've got a stick. Have my stick instead. Go and see what you can do with that American friend. And then we can all get on well together. The Americans go, I want my guns. That's a gun. That's the blue stick. I'm going to shove that up your ass. So, then we have the third most dangerous thing is Americans, because they're always looking for guns. They just want guns everywhere. Guns, guns, guns. And then we have the Chinese. The Chinese, they just want to eat everything. Basically, if it goes to black bean sauce, it will eat anything. So you need to be careful. They might eat you. And in that, we will finish. So we've got the first most dangerous thing is the Irish. They blind you. The English, they confuse you. The Americans, they terrify you. The Chinese, they will eat you.